Good morning, everyone.
Good
We
morning, ma'am.
warmly, yes, ma'am. We warmly welcome you to the International Conference on Emerging Trends and Innovation in Research and Development, Session 3. It is our pleasure to have you join us for this exciting platform where innovation meets excellence under the leadership of our esteemed chairperson, Dr. V. Murugalakshmi from P.S.R. Engineering College and Dr. R.V.Suganya from Vels Institute of Science and Technology. Once again, welcome you, ma'am. We look forward to vibrant discussions, groundbreaking ideas, and fruitful collaborations. Once again, welcome you all.
Thank you,
Anyone
ma'am.
ready to? Yeah, okay, ma'am. Anyone ready to present a paper first? ID number 006. Caroline. ID number 012. Gayatri Devi, ma'am. ID number 033. Venkada Vamsi, sir. Anyone ready to present a paper? Raise your hand.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, Krishna, are you ready to present a paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Share your PPT. Uh, Krishna, having any issues? Anyone ready to present a paper next?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready to present my paper. Am I audible, ma'am?
Can share your PPT. Share your PPT.
It is visible to you, ma'am?
PPT visible, you can present your paper.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Gangadhar Purra. This is my title, Promoting India's Cultural Heritage Through a Digital Platform. This is the title. And next we go to the abstract. This is my abstract of my project. India is a land of diverse cultures, traditions, and heritage, which is celebrated across its state and regions. Our India is so much of heritage places and tourism very much we have. The platform will be a digital repository showing the historical cultures, landmarks in India state by state. In this project, I displayed. The website offers users a virtual journey through iconic monuments, templates, ports, places, natural wonders, alongside an exploration of traditional art forms, festivals, and cuisines I presented in the website. And this aims to promote heritage and pride for India's culture while promoting tourism and preserving knowledge of the cultural heritage for heritage posterity. The site will act as a bridge between the world and India's rich diversity, India heritage culture. And next we move to the introduction of the project. India is with its rich and diverse history is a home to a vast cultural heritage that spans thousands of years from ancient architectural wonders and classical music traditions to vibrant regional festivals and spiritual practices. India's cultural legacy is unparalleled in its depth and variety. And this project titled Promoting India's Cultural Heritage Through a Digital Form seeks harness and the power of modern web technology to create engaging, informative, and accessibility digital platform that showcase the India's cultural treasures. The website will serve as comprehensive resource from learning about the diverse cultural practice across the country, providing users and with interactive features, multimedia content, and in-depth educational materials. By presenting India's heritage through virtual tours, digital exhibits, and community-driven content, this platform mainly will offer an impressive and experience that foster and greater understanding and appreciation of India's traditions and arts and history of India. Next, we move to the literature survey. These are the literature survey. In this literature survey, some persons are doing well, and we do different to them in this website. This is the existing system. India's cultural heritage is preserved and promoted through various government and private initiatives, including organizations like Archaeological Survey of India, we can simply call as ASI, and the International Trust for Arts and Cultural Heritage, and the Ministry of Tourism. Platforms such as Incredible India website, ASI's official sites, and museums portals provide digital access information about historical monuments, temples, forts, and cultural sites. Additionally, UNESCO has listed several India heritage sites, tourism apps, and private websites also contribute to showcasing the India's cultural heritage and richness of the India through their websites. Next, the advantages of the existing system, we have government support and digital presence. Digital presence means websites and apps offline, online access, heritage information. Next one is tourism development is very tourism promotion wise it is useful at that time. And the disadvantages of the existing system is limited digital integration is in that existing system, and that is many sites lack an interactive and user friendly digital experience. Next one is the fragmented information. Data is spread and across multiple platforms make access inefficient. Low community engagement and means there is a minimal local involvement or storytelling like that. We move to the proposer system. Our proposer system is promoting India's cultural heritage through a digital platform. This is the website and project that showcase the India's rich cultural heritage by highlighting the historical sites state by state in this platform. And this was the innovation of this project. Every state of India in this website we can see, and we can click on the particular state. We can see the Indian monuments or places, tourism places, heritage places. What are the cuisines of that places, and we can easily understand what is the literature of that state in this website. What are the cuisines of that state? What are the handicraft, especially in that state peoples are making. We can show the see the website, see in the website. And the advantages of this proposal system is state-wise as organization. We can implement it state-wise categorization in this website. State by state, we can making it easier for understanding and the experience of the users to explore the cultural locations where it is, and we can implement it state. We can easily get the location of that state also, and enhance the digital accessibility. This is what the second advantage of the our proposal system. User can access detailed information, images, historical facts about the India's cultural heritage from anywhere. Awareness of education also it is promoting very good. And tourism promotion is also very important, and interactive and user friendly experience in this website contains. Next one is problem statement. Despite the India's rich cultural heritage, including diverse traditions, languages, art forms, and historical practices, many aspects like risk of padding industrial and modernization, urbanization. And this was the problem statement here. Global audience also understand the what is, and these are the tools what are we are using. These are the objects. This is the motivation. The motivation behind the promoting your cultural heritage through a digital platform stems from the urgent needs to preserve and share India's diverse and rich cultural legacy with the world in a way that accessible, engaging, and educational. India's cultural traditions, which have evolved over million and are a treasure trove knowledge. This was the motivation. This was the references what I am taking previously. Some persons are doing like this kind of projects, and I updated to them. And thank you. This is ma'am. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Wonderful presentation. Shall I ask one question to you?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay. Okay. Why is the digital promotion important?
Ma'am, actually, in the previous, they can develop all the places. I mean, state by state categorization is not there. Every Indian monuments, some places are putting in the website, and I'm developing this website. What is state by categorization? It is only one website contains all the places of India. That is what I am developing, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. And one more question I have, as you have mentioned in your presentation,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
role can social media play in this preserving our heritage?
Nowadays, social media is more spread, ma'am. Everyone using social media. That's why it is useful to us. And I mean, local tourism development is very important, and global audience also. I mean, global audience means another country persons also come in India, and they can
Exactly, exactly. Yeah.
like what.
And then only we can engage audiences of global wide. Okay.
That's
Thank
right,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Next, Venkateshwara, are you ready to present your paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. You can share your PPT.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good
My name
morning.
is Venkateshwara. Yeah, good morning. Uh, Today, my topic is smartphone price estimation system. Coming to my abstract, nowadays there is a rapid growth of smartphone in market. Who are using prediction smartphone prices became increasing valuable for manufacturers, retailers, and consumers. This study to develop a data-driven model estimation system based on technical specifications such as RAM storage capacity, processor type, camera, battery life, and brand. By using some machine learning algorithms and techniques like linear regression, decision tree, random forest model, we are analyzing the smartphone price estimation graphical representation only. By using some HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I'm creating a user-friendly experience where a person want to know the estimation of a smartphone system, which smartphone is capable for use for the person use. So I'm using this apps. This is my abstract. Coming to my these are my keywords and index terms like smartphone price prediction, machine learning, random forest decision tree, data analytics. Coming to my introduction, I'm creating this website to predict the smartphone price because nowadays smartphone prices models are increasing day by day. Previously, we see some of the brands releasing different types of models in small lifetime span. So I'm with this help of the uh, website or any platform, smartphone price is predicted by using the specification. If a user mention what he want to have in that mobile, uh, he it will predict this price of a smartphone in which cost he will get that mobile. This is my literature surveys of some three papers. I completely with these papers and surveyed this and get some limitations. These are some limitations. Most of the papers are I saw some of the websites also. There are only mentioning about only smartphone price estimation. But after the purchase of the phone, how will we calculate the resale value and any service cost? I am completely mentioned in my proposal system of resale value and uh, service cost also. These are the my proposal system: resale value prediction and service cost value and smart service cost estimation is play a crucial role in that. This is my problem statement. The smartphone market is constantly evolving with new models, varying price points. It is challenging for consumers to estimate which phone is useful for him or her. So these moreover business and e-commerce platforms also face difficulties in setting competitive prices because all mobiles having same specifications but brandings are different. So I'm predicting smartphone prices accurately based on key attributes. The goal is to provide an initiative and efficient tool for consumers and businesses alike to estimate prices of smartphone in real time, enabling decision making. So this is my problem statement. Coming to my motivation, nowadays smartphone prices are from 10K to 2 lakh approximately some brands. So even into if we see some of branding like iPhones, now they introduced uh, call recording feature. But in previously also some Android phones introduced it. My main motivation, uh, apart from branding, we give good mobile for a consumer. So that's my main motive. Objectives. Coming to objectives, the main objective of smartphone estimation is to develop an efficient, accurate system that can predict smartphone prices based on various attributes like camera, battery. Like in that point of view, I'm creating this um, website by using decision tree to analyze a range of featuring battery life, camera quality, screen size, and processing power. Like the goal is to provide users with reliable price predictions that help make informed purchase decisions. Coming to these are my system requirements to process this website or to create a website. Here I'm using Intel processor. Not about Intel processor, we can use also Mac OS, something like that. Hard disk should be 160 GB and RAM should be 8 GB RAM, which is useful to run the website very fastly. Coming to my software requirements, we are using Windows OS and HTML and CSS for creating front-end application, and JavaScript is applicable for the creating logics for that. And here I am using integrated developer environment PyCharm, and libraries are used for NumPy, Django, Keras, and Python. Python is a language. Conclusion: the smartphone price estimation system leverages data analytics and conclusion techniques to address the challenges of traditional price methods. Nowadays, we're estimating price estimations when you go to shop and we ask the vendor which phone is useful for the person, and we are saying the offer specifications. In that way, by deleting all the traditional methods, I'm in presenting this proposal, which user can only estimate the price in their place only. These are some references which I take to create this platform. These are some other also. It's approximately 10. It's based on about some of them using only front-end development, and some of them using only for machine learning techniques. Some prospects. Thank you.
Yes. Nice presentation, actually, Venkateshwar. I have two questions. The first one is, what are the factors considered in building an accurate price estimation model for smartphones? Can I repeat?
Yeah, ma'am. We can use battery mAh, camera resolution like megapixels, and screen specifications like screen sizes. In the point of view, we're estimating if a user or consumer ask any like I want this screen size and uh, in this battery life, like nowadays the battery life is 4000 mAh to recently they are inventing 6000 mAh battery in some of the mobiles. We're taking that inputs and we are giving these outputs how many mobiles are in this specification only, and the prices estimation.
But my question is, what are the factors that are considered in building an accurate price estimation model for the smartphones? It may be market demand, release date, and the competitor pricing type. Venkateshwar? Okay, move on to the next question.
Can you repeat it again? Your voice is little. Yes, ma'am.
That is, what are the factors considered in building an accurate price estimation model for the smartphones? I'm asking about the processor, storage, camera, market demand, and all those things. Okay, fine. We'll move on to the next question. Shall I?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How can a price estimation system help consumers to make informed purchasing decisions?
And can you repeat the question again? What?
How can price estimation system that help consumers to make informed purchasing decisions?
Ma'am, can I say one example? If a person want to buy a mobile, so he know what he want in the specification model, but he have limited amount. So here we are giving a platform to where the user or a consumer want what they want specifications, and in that specification price span what the mobiles they will purchase. Like in case if he have a budget of 10k to 50k, he mentioned what some factors like what the battery span, what her camera resolution he want. He mentioned in that platform. It will give an information, ma'am, like
Okay, okay.
what brand he has consuming. That's right.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, good.
Thank you, ma'am. Um, next is Sai Kumar. Next presenter Sai Kumar. Sai Kumar, are you ready to present a paper? Krishna, are you ready to present a paper?
Hello.
Are you ready to present a paper next?
Yes, ma'am.
Share your PPT and
Madam,
share your PPT.
why is not clearly, madam?
Share your PPT.
Hello. Hello.
Krishna, share your PPT. It's
Okay.
audible. Yeah, okay.
Good morning, ma'am. My private name is groundwater prediction with random forest models. Abstract. Groundwater is a virtual resource for human consumption, agriculture and industry. Agriculture prediction of groundwater levels is essential for sustainable management and utilization. The study presents a machine learning approach to predict groundwater levels using historical data on water levels prediction and other environmental factors. We employed various algorithms such as linear regression, decision tree, random forest, and neural networks to develop these predictive models. The results showed that random forest algorithm achieved highest accuracy with coefficient of determination of 0.85. The model was able to capture the complex relationship between groundwater levels and influencing factors, allowing for reliable predictions. This approach can be used by water resources managers to make informed decisions on groundwater extraction, aquifer recharge, and flood control. The predictive model can also integrated with real-time monitoring system for dynamic decision making. Coming to the introduction, groundwater, the water stored beneath its in soil spaces and rock factors consistent significant portion of the world's fresh water resources. It survives as a circular source of drinking water, irrigation for agriculture and industrial process, making its management and monitoring virtual of summarizing human activities and ecosystem. Groundwater levels refers to the beneath of which the groundwater surface intersects with soil or rock above these levels fluctuate due to various factors including precipitation, evaporation, and human activities such as water extraction. Monitoring groundwater levels is essential for understanding the dynamic aquifers, assessing water availability, and managing water resources. effectively. This is literature survey taken by the past who presented the project and the papers. Coming to the problem statement, groundwater resources are under increasing stress due to rising global demand for the water and unsustainable extraction, participate and the impacts of climate change. The over exploration of groundwater, particularly in arid and semi-arid regions, has led to declining groundwater levels, aquifer depletion, land subsidence, and saltwater ingestion in coastal areas. Predicting groundwater levels is complex yet crucial task to ensure the sustainable management of the virtual system. Problem statements again, complex and non-linear interactions, data limitations, spatial and temporal validation, impact of climate change, sustainable concerns. Existing systems using traditional static models. These are basic methods that use past data to predict the future groundwater levels. They focus on identifying trends and relationships between groundwater levels and factors like rainfall. Example, ARMA and non-linear regression model, easy to use and good of short-term predictions, weakness not good, handling complex or non-linear regression. Machine learning models, hydrological models and geographical models are also used in these existing systems. Proposed system, hybrid machine learning, remote sensing and GS data, climate data integration, real-time processing, integrated analysis, combining LSTM, random forest and SPM for improved accuracy in both short-term and long-term predictions, enhance spatial accuracy, especially for large regions or areas with limited ground-based data. System requirements, hardware, software, network and connectivity, human resources. Coming to the hardware, high performance server or workstation with powerful CPU and GPU, ample RAM and SSD storage with additional backup storage, software, OS, machine learning libraries, data processing, data management, GIS and remote sensing, development of tools, visualizing and reporting, network connectivity, high speed internet and network security measures, human resource, data scientist, hydrologic, GIS specialist and software engineers. These are the references taken the past who presented the project and the papers. Thank you.
Yes, wonderful presentation you have given, Mr. Krishna. I have two questions for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say what are some common challenges when using random forest model?
Madam?
What are some common challenges when using these models?
By
Is
predicting
there any
the
challenges?
taking the future groundwater levels on based on the soil areas.
I'm asking, is there any disadvantages or challenges in using these random forest models? Can you hear me?
Ma'am?
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we pass on to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how random forest models be used for large data sets?
By
Is it possible?
containing the
Yes.
past data of geographical, hydrological, meteorological data,
Okay.
we can include the machine learning algorithm like linear regression and some algorithms used to develop this.
Okay, so we can use it, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good. All the best.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Next, Sai Kumar. Next presenter, Ajay Rappa. Are you ready to present your paper? ID number 052 Bhumika, are you ready to present a paper? Yes, Ajay?
Yes, madam. I am ready to present, madam.
Yeah, okay. Share your PPT.
Okay, madam. Good morning, madam. Myself, Ajay Rabba. Madam, horrible my voice.
Your PPT is not visible to us.
Okay, madam. Is this visible to you, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can present now.
Okay. Okay. Good morning, madam. Myself, Ajay Rabba. I am from Mohammed University, studying MC final year. Today, I am going to present my project, and the title name is DDoS Production System on Cloud Architecture and Tool. Coming into my abstract, organizations increasingly rely on cloud-based infrastructures and DDoS means it distribute denial of services attacks. These attacks are aimed to distribute normal service by overwhelming the target with massive volumes of malicious entrants or traffic. So when the result significantly slow down or completely unavailability of the affected website or service. While legitimate the traffic spikes, it can also cause similar performance issues. Distinction between normal and attack traffic is crucial. To address this, developing advanced security and normal analytics tools is essential for accurately identifying and mitigating DDoS attacks. So when we have the distributed services access to cloud infrastructure, DDoS attacks involves overhauling a network service or server in the flow of internet traffic, rendering it unable to function normally. For business that rely on cloud services, the implications can be catastrophic, leading to downtime and loss of revenue and damage to brand reputation. Understanding DDoS attacks before dividing into the architecture, it's essential to understand how DDoS attacks works. A DDoS attack type involves multiple complex systems, often part of a botnet. The target is single system, flooding it with requests or data packets. This overwhelming traffic can consume the target system's resources, causing service distributions. And there are three types of attacks, and there are volume-based attacks. These attacks focus on overwhelming the bandwidth of the target network. Examples include UT floats and ICMP floats. And protocol attacks, these attacks exploit vulnerabilities in the network protocols, and they also have application layer attacks. These are the most sophisticated attacks targeting specific applications or services. Example, HTTP flow attack. On getting an introduction architecture of a DDoS product system, it has cloud-based DDoS product system, border gateway protocol, used to route traffic between networks. Content delivery network CDN distributes content to multiple servers, reducing latency and flow. Load balancer distributes traffic across multiple servers to prevent overloading. DDoS mitigation center monitors network traffic for signs of DDoS attacks and takes appropriate action. Cloud firewall filters traffic based on rules to block malicious attacks. Interaction detection system ideas detects and alters on specific activity. Data center stores and process data. And community literacy survey digital attacks, multi attacks that overwhelm a network or system with excessive traffic, rendering inaccessible. A robust DDoS product system for cloud environment typically involves multiple layers of defense, each designed to detect, mitigate, and respond to potential threats. The first line of the defense in the DDoS product system is at the network layer. This layer is responsible for filtering out malicious traffic before it reaches the cloud infrastructure. On getting into architecture, it has many cloud providers offer built-in DDoS attack protection services that automatically detect and mitigate attacks. This service often auto-scaling, automatically increasing resources to handle increased traffic loads during an attack. And then the content delivery networks CDN. CDNs distribute content across multiple servers worldwide, reducing the impact of DDoS attacks by spreading out the traffic. Here we see the architecture of a DDoS product system. When the client and attacker are having the for edge data center, the traffic samples are having the showing that attacker is going to instruction the packet filters HTTP request metadata. Problem statement. DNS service of DDoS attacks pose a significant threat to the security and reliability of cloud computing environments. These attacks can overwhelm cloud infrastructure with excessive traffic, rendering service inaccessible to legitimate users. The increasing complexity and sophistication of DDoS attacks, coupled with the growing reliance on cloud-based services, make this a pressing challenge for organizations of all sizes. And these are the type of attacks on DDoS attacks. Volume-based attacks overwhelm a target with excessive traffic. Blocking traffic from unknown malicious IP addresses or allowing traffic only from trusted sources, limiting the number of requests a single IP can make in a specific time frame to prevent flooding, blocking traffic from certain geographical locations where attacks are more likely to originate. In application layer, attacks explore vulnerabilities in specific applications or protocols. The application layer is where more sophisticated attacks can occur, targeting specific applications or services. To protect this layer, the architecture includes web application firewalls. Web application firewalls and filter HTTP traffic to and from a web application, blocking potentially harmful requests. Bot mitigation. This involves identifying and blocking traffic from automated bots that could be a part of a DDoS attack. Capture challenges. Requiring users to solve captchas can help differentiate between legit users and bots. And cloud-based DDoS protection services. Many cloud providers offer built-in DDoS protection systems, auto-scaling, automatically increasing resources to handle increased traffic loads during an attack.
Ajay, having any issues, ma?
Yes, I have issue, madam. I have network issue, madam.
Yeah, okay.
So, madam. This is the type of attacks. volume-based attacks, overwhelm target with excess traffic, resource attacks, consumer targets resources such as CPU or memory, application attacks, exploit in specific applications or protocols, reflection application attacks, send request to third-party server that return larger response to the target. Impact of DDoS attacks on cloud architectures. A crucial component of any DDoS attack product system is the ability to monitor traffic in real time and respond quickly to potential threats. This includes traffic analysis tools. Tools that analyze traffic patterns to identify anomalies that could indicate a DDoS attack. Incident response teams. Teams that are on standby to respond to DDoS attacks, including rerouting traffic, initiating migration strategies, and communicating with stakeholders. And defense mechanism against DDoS attacks. Mediation technology, traffic filtering, rate limiting, behavioral analysis, DNS scrubbing, cloud-based DDoS protection services, architectural considerations, redundancy and fault tolerance, scalability, security by design. Research gaps and future directions on DDoS attacks, emerging attack vectors, IoT-based attacks, Internet of Things, cryptojacking, advanced defense mechanisms, airport detection, blockchain-based solutions, performance and scalability, balancing mitigation effort with service availability, cross-cloud collaboration, sharing threat intelligence and mitigation strategies, disadvantages of on DDoS attack, service distribution and downtime. DDoS attacks can render cloud-based services inaccessible to legitimate users, causing significant disruptions to business operations. Downtime. Prolonged downtime can result in financial losses, damage to reputation, and loss of customer trust. And financial losses, as you know, lost revenue. Downtime can lead to lost sales, decreased productivity, and potential legal liabilities. Remediation costs addressing and recovering from DDoS attacks can be expensive, including costs for mitigation tools, incident response teams, and potential legal expenses. Advantages: enhance security products against a wide range of attacks, safeguarding critical infrastructure and data, improve service availability, ensure uninterrupted access to cloud-based services, users reducing downtime and financial losses. Justification: DDoS attacks are a significant threat. They can disrupt business operations, damage reduction, and lead to financial losses. Cloud-based DDoS protection system provides comprehensive coverage. It can mitigate various types of attacks, including automating application layer and reflection amplification attacks and system networks. I am using front-end for InnoR&D JX for dashboard and real-time monitoring and back-end for security monitoring.
Ajay, it's audible, ma? Okay. Anyone ready to present a paper? Ajay, anyone ready to present a paper? Raise your hand. Krishna, unmute your mic and please respond. Pravalika, yeah, yes. Pravalika and Ankita. Ankita, are you ready to present a paper, ma?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready to present
Yeah.
my PPT.
Yeah, okay. Share your PPT and you can present your paper.
Okay, ma'am. My PPT is visible, ma'am. Hello.
No, your PPT not visible. Your screen only visible, ma'am.
Okay.
Presenter take only 5 minutes. Other
Now, ma'am.
presenter are waiting.
Ma'am,
No,
is it?
your screen visible, Ankita, but your PPT not visible.
Yes, ma'am. Now, ma'am, is it visible?
Yes,
Yeah, it's visible now. Yeah, you can proceed.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ankita from Mohan Babu University. Today, I will be presenting my project title was Enhancing Brain Tumor Detection Using 3D Residual Dense Attention Network, which explores a deep learning based approaches from more accurate and automated tumor detection. Coming to my abstract, brain tumor diagnosis is challenging due to irregular shapes and low contrast in MRI scans. We propose a model called 3D RDAN, which uses a residual dense blocks and attention mechanism to extract relevant features more effectively. We also used a hybrid loss function to improve the segmentation. The model achieves 93 accuracy and overperforming models like ResNet and UNet. And I will move on to the next slide, which is introduction. Manually analysis of MRI scans is time consuming and can vary between deep learning, especially CNN, has significantly improved diagnostic accuracy by learning patterns directly from data. Our aim is to automate and enhance this process to detect brain tumors early and accurately. This is a literature survey. And coming to existing system CNN based models like Desnet, Desnet have several drawbacks. They mostly apparent on 2D data, ignoring the 3D structures on MRI scans. They also lack attention mechanisms and suffering from class imbalance, which causes poor detection of smaller irregular tumors. And I will move on to the next slide, which is a proposed system. We proposed the 3D RDAN model, which combines a residual dense box and a dual attention mechanism to enhance spatial feature learning. It uses a hybrid loss function and has been trained on standard MRI datasets. The system improves the accuracy speeds of diagnosis and helps radiologists with automated design making. Next one is problem statement. The problem statement lies in the manual interpretation of MRI scans and the limitations of existing 2D based CNN models. Our model solves this by incorporating 3D content, reducing misclassification and focusing attention on tumor regions. Coming to motivation, the motivation for this work is to enhance early detection of brain tumors, minimize human errors in diagnosis, and automated the process for better efficiency. Deep learning gives us the tools to achieve those goals. Next slide is objectives. The main objectives are to handle class imbalance using focal loss and improving segmentation using dice loss, and build a 3D RDAN model that extract deep conceptual features and validate and develop this model for realizable medical diagnosis. And coming to software and hardware requirements, we use Python along with frameworks like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyCharm. For hardware, we recommended a minimal of 16 GB RAM, Intel, and SSD storage, especially for training on large MRI datasets. And these are the references taken by the previous research papers. And this is the expected results. The proposed 3D RDAN model achieved 93 accuracy and 88.9% dice similarity and 0.45 seconds interface time for scan, outperforming ResNet, DesNet, and UNet in both accuracy and speed. That's all about my presentation. Thank you, ma'am.
Good presentation, Nikita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shall I ask two questions to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. How does the deep learning improve the accuracy and speed of brain tumor detection using the MRI images?
Yes, ma'am. In deep learning, I will use 3D residual dense attention network. It is an advanced deep learning model specially designed for detecting the segmentation brain tumors for 3D MRI scans. This 3D RDAN algorithm combines three concepts mainly. Those are 3D convolution neural networks and residual dense blocks and attention mechanism. These combines. Yes.
Good. The next question is, what are the main deep learning architecture used for brain tumor detection, and how it is differ in performance?
Yes, ma'am. I use the hybrid loss function. This hybrid loss function combines focal loss and die loss functions. This is used. Focal loss helps in handling the class imbalance by focusing on harder tumor areas, while die loss ensures better overlap between predicting and ground truth tumor mass. This helps to our 3D RDN model achieve high accuracy and segmentation quality, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, very good.
Okay. To you, Angita. What are some challenges in brain tumor detection using 3D scans, ma'am?
Challenges. No idea, ma'am.
No idea. Okay, but we have to discuss about that also, because challenges may be including variability in tumor appearance or limited annotated data sets. Likewise, this can be considered as challenges, I think so. Okay, thank you. Wonderful topic and nice presentation, ma. All the best, Ankita. Okay.
Thank you, Ankita. Anyone ready to present a paper? Pravalika, are you ready to present a paper, ma? Ankita, mute yourself.
Yes.
Pravalika, unmute your audio and please respond. Okay. Jashwant Reddy, are you ready to present a paper? Yes. Okay, share your PPT, ma'am.
Okay.
morning, ma'am. Are you visible on my PPT?
Yeah, yes, it's visible.
Thank you.
But it has come in the middle, I think. Yeah, it's
Yes,
okay
ma'am.
now.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jashwant. I'm studying in MCA in Mohan Babu University. My project title is Sports Fit Up Personalized Training and Health Insights using ML model. Guidance by K. Chandrakala, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. Sorry.
Jashwant?
Sorry,
Jashwant,
ma'am.
any issues,
Some
ma'am?
issue. Yes, ma'am. PPT issue. Sorry.
Yeah, okay. Uh, if PPT have any issues, you can continue your presentation, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's moving, ma'am. You can continue. Yeah.
Now, abstract is this study addressed the raise the health risk due to sanitary lifestyles, particularly among office works. By leveraging ML, the system predicts the individuals will meet their daily steps goals based on early data. It algorithms are compared with random forest, achieving up to 93% accuracy. A web app property was built to give real-time personalized feedback. This system has potential to automate coaching, keep users engaged, and improve overall health. The paper showcase how predictive modeling can help users stay on track. This system empowers self-monitoring and promotes the physical activity. Personalized digital coaching is explored for long-term behavioral changes. The next introduction, ma'am. Physical inactivity is a major contributor to non-communicable disease such as heart disease and diabetes. Sitting for extended period now non-office settings leading to health risks and reduce the quality of life. In response, despite these efforts, providing timely feedback remains a challenge. Manually coaching is time-consuming, and most fitness devices lack of predictive capability. These other propose use ML to deliver real-time predictions about step goals, achievements. This approach allows the both coaching aims to encourage the sustained physical activity and health improvements. Problem statement. These despite the availability of wearable trackers and coaching programs, use often the lack timely personalized feedback that could help them stay active. Manual coaching response heavy and often delayed, which is diminishes the effectiveness. Moreover, the most tracking systems do not predict the weather as user will meet daily goals, limiting protective interventions. Variations of daily routine and external factors further complicating real-time coaching. These are also gap integrating ML models with real-world application. This makes hard to participants self-corrections, behavioral paper address, lack of predictive tools, combine activity data and ML to guide users, a real-time automated coaching model solution processor. This is my literature survey, ma'am. Using mostly existing system use step contracts and coaching apps to to encourage movement, often through manual feedback or basic reminders. Some incentives pair wearables with health coaching, but these are typically non-predictive and not real-time. Will behavior change techniques like self-monitoring help? Implementation of is often consistent. App device lack of adaptability to user-specific patterns. These are also some disadvantages. Non-real-time personalized predictions. Manual coaching is labor-intensive. Low adaptability in individual activity traders. Mixed results in efficiency across studies. Proposer system. The proposer system using ML algorithms to predict the daily steps, goals, achievements in real time based on hourly data. It includes a web application, interactive, delivers actionable insights, helping users stay on track. This enables automated adaptive coaching that supports self-regulation and behavior changes. It significantly reduces the reliance and manual input, offering scalable supports. These advantages are real-time feedback based on step data, highly accurate prediction with model like random forest, personalized automated coaching improves motivation, scalable and depend on human interventions. The main motivation is the growing prevalence of sedentary behavior and its health consequences inspired the research. With increasing the reliance on digital devices and remote work, physically inactive has become a public health concern. All through many fitness apps existing for provide personalized real-time coaching motivation tends to drop without immediate feedback or visible programs. Then wearables gather valuable data, yet it remains underlies harnessing ML models to entrap this data offers potentials. This motivation use will easing the workload on human coaches. Objective. Objective mean the promote physical activity and reduce sedentary behaviors. Next, the automated coaching using real-time data for fitness trackers and to design and implement the machine learning models to predictions to develop a web-based interface for user interaction to improve accuracy using model optimization techniques. Next, to create a personalized fitness recommendation systems. System requirements, basic software development hardware requirements, and next software requirements are using in Windows and Python and libraries using other tools also now. Main results, the system achieved a high predictive performance using various ML models. Random forest preferred best with a average accuracy 0.93 and F1 score 0.90. The web effectively displayed personalized feedback, helping users understand the daily progresses. It predictive whether using will achieve step goals. Even these visuals dashboard offer an intentive performance insights. Participants responded positively to real-time feedback. These results demonstrate the ML can successfully during automated coaching. Conclusion: the research provides the integrating ML with fitness tracking data can significantly prevent personalized coaching by automating predictions. The system provides timely, actionable feedback. These methods reduce the manual intervention and keeps using engaged. This approach is scalable and adaptable to various fitness settings. All through some limitations existing, the results are promising with further development such as cloud, cloud revolutionization, digital health and coaching. These mark steps forward intelligent lifestyles and interventions. These my references. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful presentation you have done, Mr. Jashwint. And I have two questions for you. How does
Yes, ma'am.
Sports Fit Cup integrate with wearable devices?
Like
Yes.
ma'am,
Shall I
that's
repeat
like
my question?
Yes, ma'am.
How does a sports fit hub integrate with wearable devices?
Ma'am, like trackers and adapting smartphones
Okay,
and watches, like
very
trackers
good.
also, ma'am.
Very good. And one more question. What kind of data
Yes,
does that track?
like steps and counting steps and heartbeat,
Yes, very good. And
steps
fitness.
and heartbeat and pulse rate, ma'am. Like,
Okay, very good, very good, very good. All the best, Jashwant. Thank you.
thank you, ma'am.
Jashwant, very good presentation actually. I do have two questions. Shall I
Okay,
ask?
ma'am.
The first one is, how does the machine learning helps to personalize training plans for individuals, that is individual athletes in sports fit up?
Mainly, ML is using a base. ML and AI are both are almost all same. Present generation developing all applications are main role in ML, ma'am. Like algorithms and models, tools using all algorithms, ma'am, mainly.
Okay,
Hello.
fine. And the next question is, how can sports
Yes,
fit
ma'am.
ups machine learning algorithms predict an athletics progress and recommend to adjust their training?
B- Based on analyzing the based on humans data, ma'am.
Okay.
Particularly, every person has a different lifestyles and health, ma'am. So this application is using can predict
Recovery
the
rates
person.
also important, no?
Yes, ma'am. What, ma'am?
Recovery rates and the progress
Yes,
towards.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay,
Goal
fine.
of
Good.
recovery rates and personalized data
Okay, fine.
like
Good, good.
steps,
All the
heart
very
rate.
best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jashwant. Next, Bhumika. Next, Bhumika, are you ready to present your paper, ma? Pravalika?
Yes, ma'am. Can I
Yeah,
present
yes.
my
Yeah,
presentation?
okay, ma. Share your
Okay,
PPT.
ma'am. Ma'am, is my PPT visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, it's visible. Proceed.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is K. Pravalika, and my topic is about ML-based models for agri-horticulture price prediction, ma'am. And the main abstract of the ML-based models for agri-horticulture price prediction is, as of we know that agriculture is the main economy in India. So we are predicting the price for the better decision making for the farmers, ma'am. Price prediction of agri-horticulture commodities is crucial for improving market efficiency. For it is very helpful for the farmers, traders, and policymakers, ma'am. And ML based approach to forecast the price of is a key agri-horticulture product, addressing the challenges of market volatility and supply and demand dynamics, ma'am. It will predict the future price or predict the price for tomorrow by enhancing the supply and demand of the product or any vegetable or anything, ma'am. The proposed models integrate historical price data, weather patterns, market trends, and other relevant socio-economic factors to make accurate predictions, ma'am. The future price prediction will be based on the historical price data, weather patterns, and market trends, ma'am. Various machine learning algorithms, including series model neural networks are using in this project, ma'am. This work aims to review the literature in this area related to price prediction of agri horticulture, ma'am. And introduction about the agri-horticulture price prediction. As of we know, the agriculture and horticulture sector plays an crucial role in global economy, ma'am. Providing food security and employment for millions by agriculture sector. However, these sectors are highly price volatility due to complex interplay of factors such as season variations, ma'am. The price will be vary from climatic conditions, weather conditions, and uh, market and supply and demands. And some of the key features about the project is we can analyze the historical price data and the climate and weather data, market demands and supply factors, seasonality and crop specific variabilities, ma'am. And some of the literature surveys that we have studied out this, ma'am. And the problem statement is accurate prediction of agri-horticulture commodity prices by several challenges. Traditional forecasting method struggles with high price volatility and fail to incorporate real-time data, making them inadequate for dynamic market conditions. The integration of diverse data sources such as weather forecast, historical prices, and market trends are essential. In existing system, the main disadvantage in the existing system is inability to fully handle high volatility, ma'am, and we cannot predict accurately in an existing system, and data quality and availability issues are there in an existing system. Complex feature selection, lack of real-time adaptability, and in a proposed system we can improve the accuracy of the in prediction, and there is a real-time adaptability, handling of null and temporal parents, scalability and flexibility in a proposed system. And the justification system is in proposed system for ML based models for agri-horticulture commodities, price predictions lies in the ability to identify critical shortcoming of existing models. And some of the system requirements that are required for the ML models for agri-horticulture price prediction is operating system. Use operating system like Linux, Windows, or macOS, ma'am. And in programming languages like Python, we are using. And in machine learning libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and like we are using, ma'am. Visualization too. For the visualization, we are using the Matplotlib and Seaborn, like, ma'am. And data processing, Pandas, NumPy. And these are some of the answers, ma'am. And that's it, ma'am. Thank you. That's all about my presentation.
Good, Pravalika. Nice presentation. Shall we go for your question session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The first question is, how can machine learning models predict agriculture and horticulture prices?
Yes, ma'am. In machine learning, which will be is a type of artificial intelligence, which we can computer can learn from data for decision makings and prediction, ma'am. Machine learning will be helpful for decision makings and price prediction based on the historical data, ma'am, and weather patterns. ML is useful for predictions, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. The second is, what type of data are crucial for training machine learning models for agri-horticulture price predictions?
Yes, ma'am. Type historical price data, weather data, crop data, and soil data, and like market demands and supply data, geographical data, government policies and schemes, real-time market updates are required for predictions, ma'am.
Good, but along with that, you may include the transportation cost and the seasonal trends.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, Pravalika. Good presentation, and all the very best to you.
Pravalika, a small suggestion to you. You have presented very well, but kindly check the spelling for the word prediction in your title slide, ma.
Okay.
Thank you. All the best.
Next, Bhumika.
Yes, madam.
Yes, okay. Are you ready to press any paper, ma'am?
Yes, madam.
Can share your PPT?
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
Madam, is my screen is visible, madam?
No, ma, it's not visible.
Oh, now, madam. Is my PPT visible, madam?
Yeah, now it's visible, pa.
Okay, madam. I'm Bhumika Edida. I'm doing my master's in Mohan Babu University, madam. So first of all, I want to tell about my conference paper. What is my conference paper is Tech Career Connect Interactive Pathways to Jobs and Internship. Basically, it is a platform that provides jobs and internship opportunities for both students, unemployed, and already employed people who are want to go to for upper, uh, another level of in their employment. So coming to my abstraction, it is a digital platform that facilitates connection between individuals and job and internship opportunities, providing personalized career guidance and development resources. To create a user-centric platform that bridges the gap between job seekers and employers. So basically, it is a bridge between job seeker to employer. So the project essence lies in its ability to provide a tailored experiences for users, offering interactive pathways to explore job and internship opportunities. So interactive pathways to jobs and internship. The main basic concept of my conference paper is interactive pathways to jobs and internships, and also it provides career assessment and guidance. Jobs and internship matching according to your profile, it also matches the jobs and internships which is you are eligible, and career development resources and tools. So the keywords in my abstract is tech career connect, interactive pathways, jobs and internship, and machine learning, job matching algorithms, etc. So coming to its introduction, the tech industry is rapidly evolving and the job market is becoming increasingly competitive. To stay ahead, students and professionals need a platform that provides personalized guidance, interactive skills development, and real-time job matching. Tech Career Connect is designed to bridge the gap between education and employment, empowering individuals to achieve their career goals in the tech industry. So the skill gap by helping it addresses the skill gaps by helping users identify and develop the skills required to succeed in the tech industry. According to our interest, according to our skills, it suggests the matching jobs. Like if we require something, like if we require some qualities or skills, it suggests that skills to develop in our uh, knowledge. So it addresses the skill gaps. And the second one is streamlining the career development, which means Tech Career Connect provides a structured approach to career growth, ensuring users are on the right path to achieving their goals. And for fostering connections, our platform facilitates meaningful connections between users, industry professionals, and employees, leading to valuable job opportunities and mentorship. Image suggestions, and a stylized illustration of a bridge connecting education and employment, or a screenshot of the platform's dashboard. And fifth one is personalized career guidance. It explores the tailored jobs and internship recommendations based on your skills, interests, and goals. And sixth one is interactive skill development. Engage with interactive tools and resources to enhance your technical skills and knowledge. Seventh one is the networking opportunities. It connects with industry professionals, mentors, and peers to expand your network and access job opportunities. And eighth one is real-time job and internship matching. Get matched with relevant job and internship openings that align with your career aspirations. Whether you are a student looking to launch your career or a professional seeking to upskill or reskill, and Tech Career Connect is the ultimate resource for navigating the complex tech job market. And coming to its problem statement, the transition from education to employment is a critical phase in everyone's life. So when we are don't know how to do and how to become an employed person from unemployed person, everyone also, it's a big struggle. Sorry, just a minute. Sorry, madam. 1 minute. So, the transition from education to employment is a critical phase in an individual career's development. Yet, many students and young professionals struggle to navigate their process effectively. The lack of clear career pathways, limited access to relevant work experience, and inadequate career guidance and can lead to a mismatch between skills and the knowledge acquired through education and the requirement of the job market. So the goal of this project is, and the main thing is, to design and develop an interactive pathways to jobs and internship that addresses the above challenges and provide a supportive ecosystem for students and young professionals to navigate the transition from education to employment. The pathway will leverage technology, including AI, to provide personalized career guidance, skill development opportunities, and job matching and placement services. So the motivation behind this project is to provide students with a comprehensive platform to explore and navigate various career paths in the tech industry. This project aims to bridge the gap between education and employment by offering the different type of pathways that connects with students with the jobs and internship opportunities. Overall, the motivation behind this is to provide a platform and navigation to become an unemployed person to an employed person. So the existing system of this project is, the existing system for this career development and job placement is often fragmented and inefficient, relying on traditional methods such as career counseling, job fairs, and online job boards. These methods can be time consuming, limited in scope, and often fail to provide personalized support and guidance to students and young professionals. So the limited disadvantages is technical challenge, data quality and integrity, and dependence on technology, and privacy and security concerns, high development costs, and job displacement. And the proposed system. The proposed system for this project is a comprehensive and integrated platform that leverages AI and other technologies to support career development and job placement. The system consists of the following components is, and the main advantages of this proposed, these one is user interface, AI powered career guidance, job matching and placement, skill development opportunities, data analytics and insights, integration with existing system, scalability and flexibility. This one offers a efficient approach to career development and job placement, leading to improved job satisfaction and reduced unemployment rates. By leveraging AI and other technologies, the system provides accurate and timely guidance, enabling users to make informed career decisions. The system requirements, and I'm going through hardware requirements, which is processor, I'm Intel Core i5 or i7. In storage, I'm going through 256 GB to 516, and a high-speed network infrastructure, operating systems, and RAM, monitor, keyboard, etc. Software requirements, I'm going through programming languages, Java, and which is used to handling business logics, managing user accounts and sessions, communicating with the databases, it will be users. So I think error handling also it will be used. It is also platform independent. That's why I'm going through with Java. And second one, I'm JavaScripts, which basically used for making the dynamic and interactive form validations and asynchronous data fetching, implementing interactive pathways like graphics, flowcharts, and it will be used. And then third one is MySQL. I'm going through database management with MySQL because of the purpose I'm using for this is storing and managing data, storing user profiles, resumes, skill sets, and job and internship listings. So these features will be implemented by MySQL. So, and the fourth one is development tools. I'm going through VS Code and VS Code and SVN, and the purpose is code writing and debugging, and it's a lightweight and fast, and JavaScript extension support also. And the fifth one is Apache Tomcat, and sixth one is machine learning algorithms. And I'm going through with decision trees, k-means clustering, job matching algorithms. Thank you, ma'am. That's it, ma'am.
Yeah, really, you have presented very well, Prabalika. I have one question. As you have said, guidance will be provided. Does Tech Career Connect offer any mentorship programs?
Yes, madam. It will provide some assignments, and it also guides you with based on your skills and based on your performances. It also suggests you the skills to develop. And also, it provides the materials also.
Okay, what I'm asking, will it pair me with an experienced professions in the tech industry? Can I get some guidance from
Madam,
an
can you repeat it,
experienced
madam?
professionals? Hello?
Yes, madam. It will also. Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, okay.
It also.
Okay, ma, all the best. Very good.
Bhumika,
Madam?
yeah, I have two questions.
Yes, madam.
Actually, nice presentation, nice topic too.
Thank you, madam.
The first question is, how does the tech career connect that help individuals to identify the right career path in the tech industry?
Madam, can you repeat it, madam?
How does the tech career connect that help individuals to identify the right career path in the tech industry?
Okay, based upon your skills and your interests and your dreams, it suggests if suppose if I have some interest in some kind of job, and I mentioned that one, so it suggests me you have to develop these skills and you have to go through this and you have to, so it suggests some materials regarding it will help you to achieve anything in tech industry or whatever you want to settle in any industry.
It may be a offering of personalized assessments that and skill evaluations.
Madam,
and maybe individual preferences, right? Okay, fine. Move on to the next
Madam,
question.
I'm getting your voice was.
Now, is it clear?
Madam, yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, move on to the next question. How the interactive tools and resources on the platform that enhance the job search and application process for users?
Based upon your skills and madam, and based upon your education.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Thank
and
you.
By using some. Best.
And Bhumika, I'm sorry, I misunderstood you with Pravalika. All the best, Bhumika.
Thank you, Bhumika. Thank you, ma'am. Anyone ready to present a paper? Or otherwise conclude the session 3? Yeah, okay. Thank you all presenter for your valuable presentations. This session will conclude. Session 4 will start at 1:30 p.m. Thank you for our research person, Dr.V.Murugalakshmi ma'am and Dr.R.V.Suganya.
Thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure.
For your valuable contribution. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank
okay.
you so much.
Remaining participant presentation will continue at 1:30 p.m. you all.